What is the best aspect of your role?
G'day mate, my name's...
Kia ora, my name is Veronica Cadwell.
Can I have your name, your role?
Kia ora.
I reckon I do amazing things down at Tamanava. Yeah, hands made of silk.
Sorry. Coletta. Can't work in these conditions. It's so unprofessional. I'm crazy.
Testing and go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
So
What's the word? I just had it.
and what makes Kane happy?
Coming to work every day with wait, let's start again.
Smile.
Hi, Kiara.
Wait.
Habichi.
Okay. And what did you do after that? What is your current role?
Are you gonna ask the question again or no? Flower.
Wait.
Kia ora. I'm Peru. I'm from here, 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 here.